So my message was not against the traditional worshippers. Like I said, that's why I say the staff of the 444 was holding by the native doctor. When a Christian see it, he say Holy Ghost fire. God forbid. Forgetting that the number 444, Elijah touch it. You get it now? So these are one people in different form condemning each other, just like what Israel and their brothers are doing, not knowing that we are one people. They are fighting. Just like what is happening in Africa.
Go ahead.
When the children of Gadangbe, which is saying they are God, finally, yes, when they now believe and say we are God, and they find out that the name Wagadugu was Wagadugu, that it was God. They begin to relate to each other, share ideas and business. They begin to grow. No nation grow in prayer. But you must pray. After praying, after consulting the spirit, before you can do anything physical, it goes. If I tell you the work I do and how much I get from it a day, you will not have agreed.
God, you're just repeating yourself, and then I believe you have made your point. You have just repeated yourself. Let's conclude because we've taken enough time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
There's what we call take your time on BAM. Take your time is giving you the avenue. Maybe there is something that you do not say that you want to say to conclude, or maybe you have something that you've said before that you want to emphasize on, or you have shout out. Or you have advice in the model or final remark. So please go ahead, take your time and do that so that we'll conclude.
Okay. My final remark is still going to the children of Esau. Just like I mentioned before, God loved Esau. God love Israel. And this nation I mentioned that has the mark of Guinea, they are the children of Esau. So in those days, as time goes on, according to the Bible, in those days, many will say we are from there, we are from here. As this message is going, there will be a unity between them. And I pray that they understand it and find out that we are one, that this sign and this name was not in vain, that it was the proper work of God. And also pleaded to the nations of the stand that they are Ishmael, they should stop fighting each other.
Okay.
And all thanks to God of Israel. And all thanks to the man who has journeyed in this road. Moses, Elijah, Jesus, and all of them that passed through many suffering. And pleaded that the seven spirit of the living God guided us all to the word of truth. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God the seer. Seer God. One nine okay. Mother Abuchi. That is your real Igbo name. Afọ wage. Mana eji God we maloge. Afamo. God 7.
God 7.
At least enwe ike ife na-akọ nwe ike na-agba m yari mana ndị na-ekiri enwe ike wọta. It is true that every genius was once called a madman. But I go, onye ọbụla, sometimes if they've not called you a mad person, the man be ihe na-eme. Ihe na-eme pụrụ iche. The word to actually use to explain it is madman, madness. So and then it takes to be mad to make a difference, because make a difference is MAD, making a difference, which is which is still that three-letter word. MAD.
I used to say it. They say that God is mad.
Oh, you see?
I used to say it because when you bring something new, it looks like madness.
Yes.
But this issue are not new thing.
Okay.
I didn't bring anything new here.
Okay.
It was all our things that is existing that we has been hearing. I don't introduce any new religion. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
I was brought up in a Christian home. I grew. I knew the ordinance of the Spirit. I performed it. I go to church. Not everything you will speak. Even those who are general overseer, most of them that God find the Spirit know that there is ordinance you need to do. But that one will be a secret between you and God.
Yes.
God is deeper than what we are clapping and dancing in the church auditorium. The truth is that you can't even find God in the midst of people. If you want to see God, you go separate journey. You will find God very easily.
Set apart. You will not see God in the midst of crowd. So he has a where 2 or 3 are gathered that I am there with you. It's not God that said it.
It's not. You don't understand what I mean. As we are 4 here, God is with us now.
Okay.
But you want to tamper to the secret place of God. You need to learn how to walk alone. If only you have doing in your life is anytime pastor give you fasting before you fast, or anytime native doctor tell you do this before you do, you are just an empty vessel. You are doing what men said. You have never been receiving direct instruction from God, and you have never seen God on your own. They say he has this power. I want to know. And one thing about this journey is that once you come close to me, the Spirit will confirm to you. The Spirit will confirm to you.
Which Spirit?
The Spirit of God, whom God of Israel.
How will I know is the Spirit of God? We have so many spirits.
Yeah, that's why you need to have discerning spirit to know when devil talking to you.
Okay.
Because if I come and say there's nothing like Jesus, there's nothing like God, there's nothing like this one don't exist, it don't do this, you will know that probably another spirit has possessed me. Because I'm no longer giving respect to God. Just like if I come and say you, we are not this, we are not that. I say, a round of applause to those who understand they are children of fairy, they still retain the name God. For they try so much. That is to tell you, no new thing comes in. It's all existing thing. But it is time to tell them, this is how to go. We are one in one body. God loves us all. Pakistan and Balochistan is fighting war. Now when Pakistan find out that Balochistan, that we are children of Ishmael, we are one, they can equally resolve without weapon. Okay, sorry for all the time we have oppressed you. Be on your own. That is why I said my mission is above one nation. If I begin to talk about Biafra, that means I am talking about Igbo. But I am mentioning nations far. And I can call all the nations on earth according to how they live and different villages in it. No book it was written on. It was inspiration of the Spirit that we tell you, this one hide here. This is what this name mean. This is what this name mean. This word, call it right, ISAA, Isa, is my covenant of 7. For most of you that say all the name in the Bible is English. It's Isa English. It's Isa, not Igbo. Does it not mean 7?
You mean 7?
Obandu me Isa ga m ga-enye. Oge ọ mugide nwolo na nke Isa, God kpọ ya God. Ya bụ Obandu. Obandu God bụ God n'ime Israel. Obandu na Isa. Ya go jiburu nwa nke Isa. Efuge na nwere ife before fu. Ife ni wo di buka na eme ka correct ye. Nya bụ na malebe okunya. Mbosi eje emefe Isa. Ka gwa mbosi eje emefe Isa. Mbosi eje akwapụtara mmụọ na asa. Ife mmụọ. Mbosi eje ri olili Isa. Nwanta nne ka dị hidi na ọ bụrụ ife aya akọba kịta. Nago jisi, kedu ko dunu ka ya agụ egwu a
In a strange man's
in
land.
a strange man's land. So if we na to ka ọ bụrụ si kpọtụba aka na omenala mefe ni nnewo, mana ọ bụrụ ikpe religion ka anyị bịa ifa. So na ọkụdo digodu kumunne m ka nwanne mara nwanne ya.
Okay. Nwanne mara nwanne ya nke anyị ma ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo nwanne mara nwanne ya onye anyị na nwanne ya anyị na-ekene God for coming we hope to see him soon because enwegasị ife isigodo si em hapụgodi otu ọ dị for now with time we can now open it. Daalụ, thanks for coming. Ndị be anyị ebe a ka ga-eweta today na njebe n'oge gbamtata anyị na-ekene unu maka ịnọnyere anyị. Afọ m ka bụ Chukwujioke Igwendụ ezigbo onye Aba odogwu ya mbaba ngwanụ ka o mesịanụ udo. Good news. From anywhere you are in the world, you can now be our guest on BAM. As long as you have an internet connection and a mobile device, you can now be interviewed from our studio anywhere in the world. Contact the numbers on your screen to book a session with us.